Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get or activate the latest feature, Browse with Bing. It is on the beta version for now, but it is available on ChatGPT Plus, so make sure you are uh, subscribed to this. So it will cost you around $20 a month for this. So make sure to keep that in mind. And it will be very useful because by using this feature you can browse the net uh, instantly. So for example, you just have to go ahead and make the selected and make sure that GPT-4 is selected and browse with Bing. So for example, let's try and ask the latest news for about the Palestinian war. So for example, so it will be searching it for you according to what you've inputted here. So as you can see here. So there as you can see it is typing it for you. And you can do a couple of things here. So you can also ask to uh, make a script about this. So for example, so as you can see, it is now going over and making a script for you, and also the instructions on the direction of the script for video editing and narration. So as you can see, guys, so as you can see, it is now over here. So you can also, I think, ask a couple of questions. For example, ask for a picture. So as you can see, it will not help us find pictures, but let's ask to link us a. So as you can see, it also finds you links for this. So let's try that. And as you can see, you've now been redirected to pictures for this. So there guys, that is all for today. That is how you can use this new feature by ChatGPT Browse with Bing. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching.